Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share an absolutely awesome method with you to make money on YouTube, and if you set this up correctly this will become a passive income for you, and basically I'm going to show you exactly why this is a passive income from what happened to me yesterday. So please make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you don't watch it to the end, like lots of people don't, you won't know how this works and you'll continue failing with what I'm going to attempt to show you in this video. So let's jump over here and I'll show you what happened yesterday. So I'm just going to jump over onto this one affiliate network platform where I don't really focus too much time and effort anymore. However, let me just log in here and I'll quickly show you this, because this is an awesome method to make money, especially with YouTube. And even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or your watch time and you're waiting to be monetized on YouTube, you can get this up and running in your YouTube business today. So you see here, let me just scroll down here. So I want to show, so this is today's date. So this was yesterday. So you can see yesterday I earned $33.50. Now let me show you this. So let me go to yesterday, and this will just take a second to load up. So you see here, this product's called Octane yesterday. Where is it? So yesterday, for this product here, I earned $33.50. And I didn't do anything for this. Like literally, I haven't touched this product here in 2 years. So let me show you how I was able to earn this amount of money from a product which launched 2 years ago into the marketplace. So if I can very quickly come over here onto YouTube. In fact, let me show you this. So this product here, it's called Octane. So if I come over here, this is in my back office of YouTube, and I'm just going to go up here and I'll type in Octane. So you see here, I've not got a review video on my channel for this product because I tend not to do these, and I'll show you the reason why. So I haven't done a review for this product over here, which I earn money from. And like I said, this product is quite old. But if I come over here onto my actual channel and I scroll down here, you see this video series here, how to make money on YouTube. Now these earnings here for yesterday come from, where is it? Is it this one here? Yeah, part 2. So let me click on here and I'll show you this as well. Pause the video, scroll down, and you see, get this awesome software to create videos instantly. See here, look, Octane. So this is a video that I uploaded on the 26th of December 2018, and yet I'm still earning a passive income from this. I've literally not done anything to earn this money over here. Now with this method as well, what's awesome about this is once you've got your channel monetized on YouTube, you can earn some money. So let's go ahead and have a look at how much this videos earn. I'm guessing it won't have earned too much in the last few days, but we'll have a look at its lifetime upload so you can see roughly how much this video earns. So let's go to revenue and we'll just click on here. So this video has roughly earned $100. It's not bad, is it? $100 from a 14-minute video. However, this is the better way to make money on YouTube. So $100 from, it was 10,000 views. If I come over here into Warrior Plus, now I'm going to click on this product here called Octane, and I'll show you how much money I've made with affiliate marketing from this one product here. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click on All Time and click on Go. So if we scroll over here on the right hand side where it says earnings, you can see here I've managed to earn $4,247 from this product here. So I think you'll agree it's a pretty awesome way to make money. And what I'm doing here is I'm doing affiliate marketing, but I'm not doing this in the traditional sense whereby I create a review video on YouTube and people are searching for that product and looking for information about it, because that is known as a product launch. And when you're doing these review videos on products which are just launching into the marketplace, that video will expire realistically after 2 or 3 weeks. Nobody's going to be looking for that information after 3 weeks. So what happens is you've done that, you've spent that time and effort, and then your video is redundant. Whereby if you do it this way, what I've got over here in this video, what I'm doing here is I'm finding an affiliate product, I'm finding out what it's about. So this product over here, this was called Octane, and this was about how to make money on YouTube without making videos, because it went ahead and it's a piece of software whereby people can, from memory, they can grab Creative Commons videos and you can put them all together in this software, and it basically spits out a completed video for you. So that is why when it comes to affiliate marketing, specifically with YouTube, I try and find products, and it's known as a sale in reverse. So I show them a method, and then I say, if you want to speed up this entire method, you can go ahead and check out this piece of software here, or click the link down below. And as you can see, people went ahead and purchased this. Now, in terms of this over here, let's go to overview and see if people are still watching this. So you can see, look here, in the last 48 hours, it's had one view from a video I uploaded coming on 2 years ago. So if I scroll down here, average view duration, average view percentage, and you can see people all the way to the end. I'm getting about, well, it tails off here, but that's pretty much the end of the video. So for this video here, I'd say it's about, on the good end, about 30% view duration for the whole thing. And here's the great thing, around here is where I'm showing them the product and the software. So if I come back over here, this is an absolutely awesome method for you to make money with YouTube, because it doesn't just work with make money online, it will work in any niche. So you find an affiliate product that you want to promote. Once you've got that, you find out what it's about, and then you teach different, you share different videos on YouTube about that product or about the method, and then you say, look, this is the method. You show them like the long way, and then you say, if you want to speed up this entire process, then click the link down below. You can go ahead and check it out, and you can make some pretty decent money with this. But essentially, it's a passive income, because if we go back over here to this Octane, you can see I've had 233 sales for this. I've had more sales for this product after it launched, after all of the affiliate marketers have moved on to other products. This still brings me in passive income. And I've got a number of videos on my channel which are doing this. If I go over here, let's just go back over here, and we'll try and come out of here and actually go to the home page so I can show you this. Come back here, come back here. Right, so okay, I'll just cover this up. So let me go here and go to your channel. I think one of the videos right on the front of the channel, or I edited it. I think I've changed it actually. Click on videos, is it on this one here? No, it's not. But there's another product, and I want to show you this as well, because same sort of method. This was a product called Fiverlicious, and I'm pretty certain, again, I've had sales of this in the last, let's just click on last 30 days, and then we'll scroll down here, and look, it's here, Fiverlicious. In the last 30 days, this product here, I've had 2 sales. I've earned $16 from this product, and again, this was a video. I want to find it so I can show you. Let me go into here and type in Fiverr. Come down. Yeah, you see this one here, 6 grand without the work. So again, this product over on Warrior Plus, it was about making money on Fiverr. So if I just did a video and said, go buy this course, it's awesome, people aren't interested. So what I've done is I got the course, I went through the course, I learned what it was about, and I shared a video about this. So I said, this is the method. You go onto this website, and it was basically about digital arbitrage, about using 2 different websites. And I said to him, this is the method, this is how it works, and if you want, a full in-depth guide of how to do this properly, click the link down below. And this was it. Look, if I come down here, look, grab the course here for less than $10. It sends them over to this product called Fiverlicious. And again, in the last 30 days, I've earned money from this. If I click on here, and again, what we'll do here is we'll just go to all time and click on go. Sorry, it's not changed it. If I go here, click on all time and go. Look at this one here, $1,400 from this Fiverlicious one. And again, 13 minutes. So they don't take a long time to do these. And if I show the analytics for the video, how much we've earned from this video here, let's go to revenue. $332 from this video, which I uploaded 25th of February 2019. But look at this up here. In the last 48 hours, I'm still getting people over to watch this video. If I scroll down here, look, people are finding this on YouTube search. They're finding it on channel pages, on the browse feature, so that's the home page of YouTube, and playlists. So it's just an absolutely awesome method. And how do you do this? Well, you find an affiliate product, like I've mentioned. You then create content around that video. Now, if being on YouTube puts you off, you can do this, without being on camera. You don't even have to speak if you don't want to. You can do this using free software. You can do this using paid software, and you can do this with, a lot more different, expensive softwares and video cameras and other bits. But I mean, all of my videos, they're all pretty simple, like I'm talking to you here. So look, that's today's video, and here is the reverse on this. If you want to learn how to do this, step by step, then go ahead, check the link down below. It will take you over to a sales page for my YouTube course. This is inside my YouTube course. I'll walk you through everything step by step. This is the homepage here. Look, you can see. If I scroll down here, look, we've got results for inspiration. I'm sharing results. I share how I've earned over $8,000 from one video in YouTube AdSense. This is another one-year-old video still earning money. Here's how to create a channel without being on camera. I also share it's now 8, in my 8-year-old's channel as well. So look, you see what I've taught you in this video. I'm doing this in my online business. It's simple and it's easy, and instead of wasting your time doing product reviews on YouTube and trying to structure your videos in silly ways, it isn't a difficult formula to understand. Find an affiliate product, create content around that, and then pitch the product at the end. So share a method, easy way, link down below. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.